Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer hosting from Bluehost to SiteGround with cPanel, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your hosting from Bluehost to SiteGround using cPanel, begin by creating a backup of your website on Bluehost. Log into your Bluehost cPanel account. Navigate to the Files section and select Backup Wizard. Choose the option to backup. Select the files you wish to download. For a complete backup, select Full Home Directory Backup. Once your backup is ready, download it to your local computer. Next, you'll need to export your database from Bluehost. In cPanel, find the Databases section and click on phpMyAdmin. Select your website's database from the list on the left. Click on the Export tab at the top of the page. Choose the Quick Export method and click Go. This will download a copy of your database to your computer. Now it's time to set up your SiteGround account. Go to the SiteGround website and sign up for a hosting plan. After signing up, log in to your SiteGround account. Access your new SiteGround cPanel from your dashboard. Locate the Files section and select File Manager. Upload the backup file you downloaded from Bluehost. Once the upload completes, extract the contents of the backup file. After extracting, ensure all files are in the correct directory. Now, to import your database into SiteGround, go back to phpMyAdmin in your SiteGround cPanel. Create a new database by selecting MySQL databases in the cPanel. Name your new database and create a user with a strong password. Make sure to add the user to the database and grant all privileges. With the database created, import your previously exported database file. Select your new database in phpMyAdmin. Click on the Import tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.